Okay, let's review my trade today. It was election day. My accounts are a little low, and I'm going to continue to trade small. So I'm trading one, possibly two micros. This was probably a two micro setup here. But again, mid-range breaks are always a little nervy. In this particular case, we came off the opening going strong, a little bit of pullback, a little bit of pullback, a little bit of pullback. We're riding the 21 EMA here. In this candle at 9:48, I see a break of the 21 EMA, and I'm going to go ahead and take a long position, a single contract. I'm taking this all also on my Top Step account and also on the top one on the US 500. If I look here at my stop loss placement, I see this candle right here at 9:43. Its low is below the New York VWAP. I also see it's coming down and bouncing off Friday's VWAP. That's at very light blue if you can see it. So I'm placing my stop loss just below that to save a little bit. Went ahead and entered right at 57.69 and wrote it up. Here I'm looking at the break. I'm considering looking at pulling at that break, but again, trading a single micro, I'm going for deeper, longer runs. That wouldn't have gained me much more than about 20 bucks. So I'm looking over here on the market internal screen. And from the market internal screen, I'm seeing a slide to the positive side on volume balance, leaning me a little bit more bullish, as well as over here on the advances to decliners. We had a strong run up almost into the irrational exuberance area, if you will. Ticks were strong. New York was going 1.5, approaching at one point in time it was 1 to 2, and indicating a nice strong bullish. So I'm staying in the market is my decision point at this point. Watching for a retest. If it broke back below again and closed below, I'll probably pull it, just lick my wounds and continue on with a few dollars in my pocket. It didn't. It retested and then bounced back up, and so I'm playing it for a doji. It's my typical trailing stop. I'm looking for a 5-minute bar that closes with a lot of indecision to it, and I got that here at 9:56. I was sort of tempted to pull out. I probably should have. I lost a few dollars. But on the next candle, we opened lower and continued down, and so I closed my trade. Nice little trade for me today. It was $300 trade, and then on my Top Step accounts, all five in parallel, and then on my top one account, that was a $360 trade. So yes, I could have gone up here, continued up, but as you can see here, probably was a decent time to pull out. This candle at 10 o'clock was the news. I was looking at news saying I don't want to trade into news. It always burns me. And so out for $684 today. It was a good day.